This may very well be the number one way to save money. What up? You got Mr. Smith, 0.5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and in this brief video, I want to talk about what I feel may be the number one way to save money. You see, I'm all about doing something one time or doing something that has multiple benefits. You do one thing, perform one action, but it has multiple benefits. And this is something that has multiple benefits and is benefiting you by saving money, because a lot of people want to save money, but if there's an additional incentive to saving money, it just kind of gives them additional motivation to save that money. So what am I talking about? How can you save money? And this may be the number one way to save money. And why do I feel that way? Well, this is it. See, when you save money in a way that allows the money that you save to not only be yours once you reach that saving goal, that's one, but number two, in the process of you saving that money, you're boosting your credit. You're increasing your credit score by saving your own money. You're increasing your credit score by doing something that you were going to do or should have wanted to do anyway. So how does that happen? Well, I got a link below that can show you exactly how to go about doing it. You just, click through and see the details. We will get some form of compensation if you decide to do it, but it doesn't cost you any money additionally, or it doesn't take away from your process. But just by us sharing the good news of what we genuinely feel could be very well be the number one way to save money, we'll get some points due to the fact that you used our link. That being said, how does it work? Basically, you're saving money, building credit, and building a nest egg at the same time, because it's almost like you are loaning yourself money. It's basically considered to be a self-lender. You lending yourself money. So an account gets opened up on your behalf and you have a goal of, let's say, $500, $1,000, whatever that may be. And now, in order to hit that goal, you have to save a certain amount of money per month in order to land on that goal. Why is that important? Well, most of the time, as it relates to your credit, it has to show a track record of you making payments over time, on time. So that's a good thing if you're doing that. So one way is you'll be saving money on a month-to-month basis. And as you're saving money on a regular basis, those payments that you're putting towards your saving account get counted. That doesn't typically happen if you're just saving money regularly, getting it withdrawn out of your check, getting it put into the bank account. The banks don't typically give you credit for doing that. But if you set it up the way that we have it listed below, now you're able to take the money that you would have been saving anyway, but build your credit because it's going to show good payment history. Then if you do that over time, your score will increase because it opened up a new, what they call trade line. I don't want to get into the credit lingo, but what they call a trade line. It opens up a trade line, and once that trade line is open, it has the potential to heighten your score, giving you good payment history, giving you a good savings. And then once you hit that goal, not only do you hit that goal, the money is still yours. So you literally loaned yourself money. And then it can segue into some other great things. But I don't want to get too deep into what else it can segue into that can be beneficial. But just understand that this may very well be the number one way to save money. Get credit for the money that you save. I often tell people, if you do certain things and it's not boosting your credit, but it's a way to boost your credit by doing the same thing you're already doing anyway, it's a win-win. So I think this is a win-win. And if you agree that it sounds like something that may be a win-win for you, then by all means, click that link below so you can get access to the system that we're talking about, so you can lend yourself money, save money, boost credit, all in one swing. Gotta love it. That's all I got, Mr. Smith. Signing out.